Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave. We're in the process of replanting second crops of some of our plants, and this past week we were very fortunate to have our oldest son and his family come and help us in the garden a little bit. And my 5-year-old grandson Emerson, he came in and helped pull out a whole pile of cucumbers that were looking extremely spent. And we even found a couple of surprises in the pile, but he helped grow, or I should say help plant some new cucumber seeds. And these are the Suyo Long that I like so much. And he was a hero. He went in there and he dug out the holes and helped to bring compost over from the compost pile with the shovel. And it was quite a lot of work for a 5-year-old Emerson, and he did fantastic at it. He actually asked for like 2 or 3 days if he could do it yet, and we had to eventually just go out and do it on Wednesday. And here it is Saturday, and I wanted to show you what has happened because we just had a big old rain. And if you look here, there's the first of the cucumbers popping up. 1, 2, there's 3. Here is a 4th one, and over here is 2 more. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enclose these in sleeves so that the insects and slugs will have a harder time finding them. We literally just had a lot of rain this afternoon, and these just popped up. So this is the goal here, to get a little sleeve to protect them. These little cucumber plants, they are delicious, I presume, to things like slugs, and they'll come in and they'll eat that off. So what I've done here is I've taken a disposable pot, and I make a little imprint here. We dig around because I want that pot to be down in the soil just a little bit. It doesn't have to be very far. You can see I'm coming down 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and I put that down in there, and then we're going to push the soil back around to kind of create a bit of a seal so that it's a little harder for those slugs, snails and such to find it. And we're going to let that thing grow in solitude. So there they are, 4 holes with cucumbers popping up. And Emerson, when you watch this, you can see they finally did. They popped up, and we're going to watch these grow over the next few weeks, and they'll get bigger. Once they get big enough, they'll start sticking their heads out of these pots. We'll pull these pots off because they'll be able to stand up against the slugs and snails. But there we go. New cucumber crop has been started. This is Bowtie Dave for Bowtie Life. If you're just stumbling along finding our channel, please subscribe. We talk mostly about gardening, sometimes about life. If you thought this was entertaining, informational, educational, inspirational, please click the thumbs up on this video and share on your social media with your friends who might also be interested in gardening. We do monthly garden tours every month on the progress in the garden, so stick around. Y'all have a blessed day.